doorway.
Yeah. On that note, so you know how in the real world he carries around the lantern instead of the candle? Can you talk about the fact that when he goes outside into the woods, he's carrying a candle?
Yeah, good thing.
I don't think I ever paid attention to that before. That it changed to the candle once we were outside.
Yeah, it really doesn't say much for his sanity.
Well. Holy shit.
Oh, who are you?
Start going up. Had a sound method for this going down, but it doesn't seem to be working.
Go up. And up. Keep going up.
We're not using one of those trees as a landmark.
No.
Oh, thank God. Oh, God. It's like lock. Oh, man. Increased in size dramatically. Oh, that's a good start.
I wonder if any of those rings are visible on the stream. Probably not.
Whoa, further downstairs.
It's got a little bit of note on it as well.
Who's tearing out the pages? Who just sighed? Is someone here?
Yes, there is.
Coincidentally. Okay, it went away. Yeah, here's some more note. These fucking things right there.
All of the note.
Like, why would he have those? That's 3 clocks. Within the first, like, 5-6 rooms. Probably a bed. Yep.
I might have jumped slightly. That was like mid-yawn too.
I was about to yawn. I stopped.
No longer. I'm on.
Whoa! What's that over there? No, don't look. No light. I'm not looking. Not one bit. I'm not even turning my head. There isn't anything there.
That thing is even scarier now that I get a good look at it. Nope, not gonna work.
God damn it, got me. Look at all that time I lost. Ugh.
Yeah, maybe.
What is it?
He likes the Headless Horseman and likes torturing witches.
Ah, jeez.
Yeah, the Iron Maiden and Mother Russia are the besties, yo.
Yeah, whatever. Deal with it.
Come closer. I'm right here.
I don't want to know that.
Bitch, I will punch you in the face. Don't you be right there. Enjoy.
Everybody's favorite.
Now I know where you are. I see you now.
That was the prince.
Are they in there? Yeah,
Yes, they are.
Going upstairs. That's 5 clocks. That's got to be a record. Oh, man, he wants to remember some shit.
I know where you are.
He's like, I still wonder how the art and sound guys sleep after making this shit.
It's a fair assessment.
It's a legitimate concern.
I see you now.
Get out of there.
Amused me the fact that they still kept moving. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Small, cracked, closed.
My blood pressure's low. 6 clocks.
Hey.
Just leave me alone. I'm trying to regain my sanity.
Nope.
No choice.
Are they breaking my thumbs?
Shit, I thought that was down too.
Don't do
God
it.
damn it. Quit knocking on the goddamn door.
I want to
Smells like damp earth. That's shit. From where you've soiled yourself.
It's not a good sign when that burned out when you're in that room.
No, I was definitely looking for handprints, all kinds of shit. Is that another clock? Alright.
7?
Yeah. Oh, it was something else. Oh, yeah, it was.
Now it's the chair.
see you
I
now.
didn't see it. It must have been the handprints. They must have started on the right side. Alright. Can I finally fucking find whatever the hell's in this room?
The chair.
Probably. Still. Now how can I go through this door? I want something to change so I'd be able to open this door. That was the theory I think.
Yeah.
Hey. I've needed every one of them. Bedpan.
his eyes there. Nine.
God. Game knew I was gonna get fucked in this stage, so like, let's make it a little fair.
Yeah.
Fucking eyeball.
Question is, what else is on the board?
Small, cracked, closed.
10. Every room's lit up except that one. Oh wait,
They are close.
You hear them, right?
I hear them.
They're in that room above you, I guarantee. Yep, they are.
I'm standing right here. You can go fuck yourself.
Good night.
Not quite. And to be honest, it'd be more accurate to say, good morning.
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Now we should be entering time limit zone.
This is how to play the game. They are only visible in the dark. First, turn off the light in your home and open all the doors. As soon as one of the doors slams shut, close your eyes and say, I'm glad to see you. Thank you for coming. If you did everything correctly, for a second, you will see a fully set table with a round loaf of bread in the center. At the table, there will be people staring back at you. Remember their faces. Recall their voices. These are the invisibles that you brought to live in your home. I don't want anyone invisible living in my home. Just saying. There she is. Good old Glorious herself. Girl, you need some shampoo. Some shampoo and a brush. Maybe some Visine.
Yeah. Just say eye drops.
Ah. New room over there.
Remember, you're on the time limit now.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Not here.
The bar's there.
Where?
Scroll out.
Oh yeah, but yeah, you're right. I don't think it moves in this sequence though.
No, it's risky.
Fair point. What seemed horrible inside the house will stop scaring you if you go out to the woods. Touch them without fear. Open your eyes. Don't be afraid to look. Don't be afraid to see. This is not death, but simply a new time. There is no death. Someone's staring at me outside. What do you want? What? Is there something wrong with me? I don't think that's an understatement.
I'm wondering why you're checking all the lights again.
Diary pages.
Check your time limit every so often. I'm gonna see if I can notice a change.
It hadn't moved.
Very paranoid about that.
Yeah, no, fair enough. But it should have had at least a notable bit on the end that's faded. And now.